Allah says your past can actually become the biggest blessing, no matter how negative it was. When you just turn to Allah, that is between you and Allah. In this world, like I said, people won't forgive you. You made a mistake, one mistake, two mistakes. People will actually see you go all the way down the tunnel and they'll cheer you on. That's how people are. You know why? It's Allah, the Almighty. He shows you He is the only one. That's it. Who will be with you. The only one. There comes a time when people leave you. Your friends might leave you. Your family might leave you. It happens. It happens. Those you never expected would actually distance themselves. Don't get depressed. It's Allah telling you they've all gone. It's just you and I. Come. Subhanallah. Allah is here for you. He will always be here.